Hey, wait a minute. I hear something. You don't hear that? Check it out. Hey, what's up? The broodood is back! Here with another beer. So I have a Belching Beavers, or Belching Beaver, and Deftones collaboration called Digital Bath. It's a New England style IPA. It is 6.5% alcohol by volume. So they do have a little information back here, and apparently it says the fans have spoken. All you wanted was an encore of our famous New England style hazy IPA. So they wanted an encore, so what they did was they collaborated with Deftones and they created this bad boy. Check this out. Look at the graphics on that. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, I mean, I've never had this one. I'm going to try it now. I'm going to do it with you right here. If you've had it and if you liked it, or if maybe if you didn't like it, just go ahead and put that in the comments. Let me know what you think about it yourself. Or if you haven't tried it, go ahead and stay here to the end of the video. That way we can try it together. It smells amazing. Almost has a little tropical papaya smell to it. Definitely fruity. So, wow, look at this New England style IPA. So I did, though it doesn't say that you should, but what I did is, anytime I have these new hazy IPAs and everything, I like to sit them upside down a little bit. Not shake them, but sit them upside down, because I have noticed a lot of them have a lot of sediment because of the whatever process they do to get them hazy. That haze right there is particles, small, almost like dust-like particles inside the beer that are causing that. It can be lactose, it can be a hops or whatever. You've probably heard me talk about it several times. Hey, wait a minute. I hear something. You don't hear that? Check it out. See, there's something in there. So they didn't just collaborate, they actually infused Deftones in the beer. Yeah, they did. It smells great, sweet, nice, and like I said, like some kind of papaya almost. Not high citrus, high orange, or high grapefruit, but more tame papayas, that type of sweet fruit, maybe even a cantaloupe, but light, not cantaloupe. It doesn't smell like cantaloupe, but that type of fruit. The head on it, it's almost gone. It's maybe because how I poured it, but there's a thin layer of foam right on top, which I'm fine with. Looks all good, nice and hazy, some type of hay color. At least that's how I'm seeing it on this side, but it's very, very opaque. I mean, I can see light, so technically it's translucent, but I can't physically see anything on the other side. Looks great. Wow. That is good. Earthy, for sure. And I'll tell you what I mean when I say earthy. Yeah. See, I've noticed, and I'm from the West Coast, all right? I'm a native to Los Angeles, born and raised. And I like all beers, different beers, but I've noticed that I just enjoy a New England style IPA, After a while, a lot of West Coast, which I'm not even hating or anything, I like them. It's just after a while they all start kind of just tasting the same. So many hops and they get too astringent. But that haziness, in some cases they use lactose and NEIPAs. But whatever they do, it's good. This one here, I'm telling you, they just didn't collaborate. They infused it in there. This here is really, really good. It's just great. There's a nice Mellow beginning, the carbonation just bites you a little bit, not too much. At mid-range, you're getting some of those fruits that I was telling you, kind of papaya. But the carbonation is not crazy. And then it's silky, it's almost smooth, and it ends out just with the nice hit of those hops that obviously they use to infuse with this. It's a solid beer. It's really good. I recommend it. Go find it. This is one of those where you get crazy good art and a crazy good beer, and everybody's happy. I know I am. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down there. And with that said, the Brew Dude is out.